So the last part gives us that the region R is bounded by these two curves that we were talking about. The lines x equals to 2, x equals to 5, and y equals to 0. Find the exact area of R expressing your answer in the form a plus b ln 2, where a and b are constants. So the first thing I need to do is remind us of what we're looking at. And if we're looking at x equals to 2 to x equals to 5, we're looking at, let's just draw that in. You'll need to use your imagination a little bit, but I can draw it in for you guys here. We're looking at this region in here. So this part in here. So I need one additional piece of information before I'm able to integrate this region. That is, I need to know what is the x-coordinate of the point of intersection of these two curves. And so I can find that out. I've named this point A, so I'm just going to ask to show its value. And I can see that this occurs at the point 3, 12. So that means that the x-coordinate here is 3. I don't actually particularly care about the y-coordinate. Oh, sorry, didn't want to do that. Yeah, I don't particularly care about the y-coordinate. The x-coordinate, though, is 3. So if I'm just to draw out a brief sketch of what I'm looking at, I get something that looks a little bit like this, but hopefully more beautiful when done on your page. So I know it looks like that. And this is 1, so this would be 2. This is 3, 4, 5. And I know that they intersect here, and this curve is coming down like this. Right? And so this is the curve of y equals to x minus 1 squared. This is the curve of y equals to 7x plus 3 over x minus 1. So what I want to do, and this is the point 3, what I want to do is find the area under this curve between 2 and 3. So find this area in here. And then I want to find the area under this curve between 3 and 5. And that will give me the area of R. So this whole thing here is R. Okay, so I know how to do this. That means that the area of R is equal to the integral of this expression, x minus 1 squared dx, between 2 and 3, plus this area in here, which is the integral of 7x plus 3 over x minus 1 dx, between 3 and 5. And so from my previous parts, I actually know how to integrate both of these expressions. This first one here, we found to be 1 over 4 x to the 4 minus 2 over 3 x cubed plus x squared over 2. And I can omit the constant term because this is a definite integral. So 2, 3, plus, and this was 7x plus ln x minus 1, between 3 and 5. Okay? So, what can I do now? Now I just have to substitute in the values. So, I'm going to give myself a little bit more space. I get 1/4 times 3 to the power of 4 minus 2/3 times 3 cubed plus 3 squared over 2 minus away 1/4 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 over 3 2 cubed plus 2 squared over 2. So that's the first one. Add on 7 times 5 plus ln of 5 minus 1 minus 7 times 3 plus ln of 3 minus 1. So what does that give us? 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So this is 81 over 4. Then minus 2/3 times 3 squared is 2/3 times 27 is 2 times 9. So this is 18. Plus 3 squared over 2 is 9 over 2. Minus a quarter times 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 is 16, divided by 4 is 4. Minus 2/3 of 2 cubed. 2/3 of 2 cubed is 16 over 3. Plus 2 squared over 2 is just going to be 2. Plus, this is going to be 35 minus plus ln 4 minus 21 plus ln 2. Okay, so this will require a little bit of calculation. Yep, this will require a little bit of calculation. So get out your GCs and see what happens if you add up all of these constant terms. So if I've done everything right, I've gotten 241 over 12 from my constant from my fractions and integers, and then it just leaves me with ln 4 minus ln 2. But I see that I've actually forgotten something here. Sorry, so I'm just going to go back and make some changes here. I integrated this wrongly. There should be a 10 out the front of all of my lns. Right? So there should be, the integral was actually 10 ln mod x minus 1. There should be a 10 here, should be a 10 here. There should be a 10 here, there should be a 10 here. Sorry about that. Should have stopped me earlier. So this would give me 10 ln 4 minus 10 ln 2. So I know that that's, so if I write this as plus 10, and I can factorize that out, ln 4 minus ln 2. But you know, if I've got ln a minus ln b, that's ln a over b. So I can just take this one, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is 241 over 12 plus 10 ln 2. And that is my final answer.